Welcome back to the Security Event 2025. We're over at CIE Group and I've been joined by Will from Quanika. Will, welcome to the channel first of all.
Thanks for having us this year. It's been great so far.
All right, so we're here on the Quanika stand. Let's talk about what Quanika is. It's really a multi-platform, single pane of glass platform. Exactly what do we mean by that concept, Will?
So with Quanika, we have various different types of software. So we have an access control system, a visitor management system, and a Face ID application. So it means that we can take different types of software and then be able to give the user a full solution, including the hardware as well.
All right, really complicated. Let's simplify it for little me. Let's use maybe a university as an example. And let's say we have an access control system, CCTV system, a HVAC system, and these can all be coming from different manufacturers with different management platforms. What Quanika allows us to do is to pull them all into one platform.
Yeah, so it allows you to pull these different types of hardware and VMSs into one solution where you can see it from one screen, so you can have multiple VMSs as well as multiple manufacturers, readers, cameras, etc.
So how does the process work, Will? If we've got a new build or we're taking new systems into that and we want it to work with Quanika, does it just work or is it a specification?
Some of the new parts of the site would have to be integrated, but if it's pre-existing integrations we have, then it's a fully functional system that we can just go in, connect to, and then have it up and running.
So we've talked about CCTV and we've talked about access control systems. What other building management systems can we integrate into a Quanika platform?
So we can integrate intruder alarms, fire panels, as well as other BMS systems to actually control the site and have a full functioning system.
So let's talk about some of the projects that you've worked with in the past and how is that changing the way that building management teams are using the platform?
It's changing in the terms of people want more variety of hardware to be able to use as well as cost-effective solutions, and in a lot of recent times we've been finding that recycling systems and doing system takeovers has been more appealing than actually doing a full rip and replace. So it's efficient for the staff in terms of access levels granted and ease on getting onto site as well as the actual system itself. It manages onto one platform so each user can have a simple access and then they configure their own systems and settings, and then from there have a full use of the system.
So we're here on the CIE stand with Quanika right now, but as Will and I know, we're surrounded by so many different technologies, access control technologies, VA systems as well, all running over IP. Who are we already integrated with from day one, effectively?
So from day one, we're integrated, as you see behind me here, the Access, HID and Mercury boards, as well as on the CIE side, STID, AccuVox, Safer, Farpoint. So the list goes on, and we're looking to continue the integrations with CIE as well.
So there's a whole host of products that are already integrated with Quanika. What if we already have a product that isn't integrated right now, Will?
From there, we will then look at the integration as well as get the technical team speaking to create a fast and quick solution with that integration.
So if you want to find out more about platform integration and you want to find out more about Quanika, join us soon at ciegroup.com.